Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Hannah, how are you today?
Happy.
Okay, I'm happy. And how old are you, Hannah?
I'm 7 years old.
All right. So, Hannah, today we have speaking test of Unit 5 and Unit 6. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's begin. So at first we start with the vocabulary. Vocabulary of clothes. Can you tell me, Hannah, what is it?
Red t-shirt.
It's a?
Red t-shirt
Good. What is it?
and green socks.
Good. What is it? It's a? Say it's a.
Pink dress.
Good. And what are they?
Yellow socks.
Answer me in full sentence. Like they are.
Yellow socks.
Say with me. They are.
Yellow socks.
And what are they?
They are yellow trousers.
Trousers. Good. And what are you wearing today? Hannah, what are you wearing today?
And purple t-shirt
And purple t-shirt and what are you wearing? I can't see. Skirt?
shirt purple.
Purple skirt. Okay.
Pink.
Oh, pink, not purple. Purple t-shirt and purple t-shirt and pink skirt. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, so we are going to talk about the body parts, okay? So, Hannah, tell me, what is it?
Chin.
It's a chin. Good. What is it?
Mouth.
Yeah, we can say it's a.
Mouth.
Good. What is it?
Nose.
Answer me in full sentence, Hannah. It's
Nose.
nose. What are they?
The eye.
Good. Like this. What are they?
The mouth.
They are ears. Okay.
Eye.
All right. Now I will ask you, how many eyes have you got, Hannah?
I got
Two eyes. How many eyes have you got? I have got
two eyes.
Good. And how many ears have you got?
I got 2 ears.
Well done. And how many fingers have you got?
I have got 10 fingers.
Well done. And the last one, how many nose have you got?
1 nose.
I have got
one
one nose.
nose.
All right. Let's move to the last part, phonics. So now tell me, what letter is it?
M.
And M sounds?
Monkey. Mountain.
N sounds?
La.
Not la. It's na.
Na. Nine. Neck.
Good.
O.
O sounds? What is this? Octopus.
Octopus.
Good.
Orange.
Orange. Well done. Letter?
P.
P sounds?
Panda. Pink. Queen.
What letter is it? Letter?
Queen.
No. What letter is it? Letter Q.
Q.
Q sounds?
Qua.
Queen. Yeah.
Queen. Question.
Well done. Question. Letter? What letter is it?
R.
Letter R. R sounds?
Ra. Robot. Ru.
Rub.
Rubber.
Yeah, robot, rubber. All right. Okay, well done, and I give you a high five. Good job.